Hey, I'm Philip. I'm living in Munich in Germany and I'm shooting cars for about 7 years now. At the moment we're shooting for NOVITEC, the all-new Super Veloce. The location is a warehouse about an hour west of Munich, and we're really happy to be here since it perfectly fits the Aventador Super Veloce with all the super aggressive NOVITEC parts.
Just got to, I don't even know where we're at.
Where are you right now, Sam? Tell me.
In a warehouse.
A warehouse?
We're in a warehouse in Germany.
I usually use strobes to light the cars because it gives the possibility to get the perfect light on every part of the car. And especially the lighting now is really diffuse, so we can get a really hard, and the strobes give the possibility to show the shape of the car in a perfect way. NOVITEC did its thing again on the car and built some parts that make it look even more aggressive and even better. And yeah, so it's really cool to have the possibility to shoot it here in this warehouse, which perfectly fits the aggressive parts of the car. I really like how the design of the wheels complement the design of the car, and I think they're a perfect match. If you like my work, please follow me on Instagram. I think the link should be somewhere in here, in the frame, because it's impossible to spell my name. Okay.